Welcome to Hack This for Ahmedabad Build Station.
This milestone edition wasn't just about hacking, it was about learning, sharing, and falling forward.
From power pack workshops to inspiring talks, every session sparked new ideas.
The energy here, it's unreal.
It's amazing to see how curious everyone is. The questions, the ideas, pure innovation.
Touch your hand. Touch your nose. Touch your ear.
And then the real building began. The energy shifted. Every keystroke, every brainstorm, every aha moment, a piece of something bigger.
It's damn good event. I'm definitely coming back next year.
At the end of the day, it wasn't just about ideas. It was about the builders who found motivation to collaborate, a shared vision to innovate, and a community to belong to. And that's the wrap of the Ahmedabad Build Station. Until next time, happy hacking.